Welcome to Education Tutorials. At Education Tutorials, we firmly believe in the power of knowledge to empower individuals and fuel personal growth. Our mission is to provide high quality educational content that caters to learners of all ages, making the process of learning enjoyable and enriching. Dr. G.C. Santoshchaitanya, an experienced and passionate educator, spearheads this channel, bringing his expertise and dedication to help learners comprehend complex concepts effortlessly. Our channel covers a diverse array of subjects ranging from mathematics and science to literature and history, whatever you want to learn, we will provide that thing. Whether you are a student preparing for exams, a curious mind seeking to quench your thirst for knowledge, or a lifelong learning aiming for continuous self improvement, educational tutorials is the ideal destination. Each tutorial is thoughtfully crafted to ensure utmost clarity and comprehension. Dr. G.C. Santosh Chaitanya breaks down challenging topics into simple, easy to follow steps, cultivating a positive and conducive learning environment. You'll find animated explanations, practical examples, and insightful analogies that make even the most intricate subjects as approachable. At Education Tutorials, we recognize that education encompasses more than just academics. We strive for holistic development, which is why our content fosters critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Our channel delves into fascinating subjects that encourage curiosity, helping viewers become all well rounded individuals. We take pride in our supportive and inclusive community of learners from diverse backgrounds. Whether you are a student, educator, or enthusiast, you are warmly welcomed here. Engage in conversations within the comment section, share your thoughts, and connect with like minded individuals. Connect with us on our other social media platforms to receive updates, behind the scenes insights, and access to additional learning sources. Embark on an enriching journey of knowledge with education, tutorials, and Dr. G.C. Santosh Chaitanya as your trusted guide. Together, let's unlock the doors of understanding and transform education into a delightful adventure. Thank you for joining us.